Hey, buddy boy. 33 degrees and a little breezy out today here in central Iowa. Still got snow on the ground. It's been melting a little bit, but this coming weekend we're supposed to get, I don't know, it depends on where you look. Looks like anywhere from 3 to 6, 4 to 8 inches of snow. Supposed to get wind with it. And last I saw, minus 14 Saturday night. So I don't know what happened to these warm temperatures they were talking about a week ago, but minus 14 isn't my idea of warm. Anyway, get back in the shop. It's nice and warm in there. You coming, buddy? Come on. I don't know where Jesse went. Anyway, working over here, I finally decided that I'm just going to start hacking this stuff off of here. It's bad metal, it's got to come off, and then we'll have to figure out how to tie it all together. But that chunk I took off of here was getting darn near paper thin and just no good. I mean, it's just yeah, no good. So cut that off, cut the inside rod out. This little piece down here, I'm gonna have to do something with that, which is right back in there. I need to probably cut that out. Not sure what I'm gonna do here. I may cut this off, and I don't know, maybe I don't really need to do anything with it, or I might put a little piece on there and bend it down like an L or a curve or something and weld it onto this tube. And all the same thing over here. What do you want out now? All right, go find your sidekick. So that's what I'm working on, and I hear the heater is just about ready to kick on. So that's what I'm working on right now, just hacking away on this stuff. This one over here I'm probably gonna cut out. I don't know, I'll have to see, but I'm thinking right along in here maybe. Just get rid of it, because this is just garbage back here. Get rid of everything down below here, and then we'll have to tie this into the tube. And then, let me shut this fan off over here. I have this fan, it's blowing upward, just to keep some air moving around here. Got another one going over there, but it's pretty quiet. Anyway, like I said before, you can't buy these anymore, and overall it's not too bad. I mean, 90% of it's good and solid. It's just right down here at the very bottom where it's not. And actually out here it's still got pretty good strength to it. This one over here is a little worse, but at the same time it's still pretty stout down there. So I don't know, may just have to figure this out as we go. I imagine I can get quarter panels put on here, and that little part down there at the bottom probably really isn't gonna matter a whole heck of a lot. I don't know that for sure, but that's my thinking. So I don't know, one step at a time. I mean, this isn't gonna be 100% perfect by any stretch of the imagination, guys. At the same time, all this is going to be covered up. This is not a full-blown restoration. This is just taking a cheap Bronco that I did get pretty darn cheap and making it look good again. I mean, when we're all done and you see it driving down the road, I think you would probably say, that's a pretty nice looking Bronco. Might be hard to imagine right now, but we'll get there. We'll get there. So I'm gonna keep hacking away on this. I have a coffee can covering up my gas cap and fuel neck right there. I was throwing a heck of a lot of sparks off this way, and didn't really feel like blowing up today. I gotta sneeze. Whew. So anyway, I'm gonna keep going to town on this. Come over to this side, get this hacked out of here, and then we'll figure out what we have to do next. Okay, got this side cut out. And one thing about cutting things out like that, just going in there and doing it. One, you just got to get this bad stuff out of there anyway, but it kind of makes you have to do something. And so that's what we're gonna do. I'll figure it out. So it's the next day. I'm not sure if I did any more on the Bronco last night than I showed on camera or not. We'll go over that again here real quick in a second. Got a little bit of mail here that we're going to do real quick. And the first one comes from John McWilliams, and he is from Oregon. And pretty sure its license plate's in here. We'll cut into this and see what we have. And it indeed is. Along with the letter, we'll go over the letter here real quick. Let's see. Happy New Year to you. I love your videos. I have a 93 F250 2W. Must be two-wheel drive with a new 351 and rebuilt C6. Mine is rust-free and has over 300,000 miles on truck. I'm fixing it up. Got truck 7 years ago from You Pull It for 600 bucks. Had to replace the box. Plates I sent, blue one 1960s, orange one 1970s, the tree ones, top one was the first one, note, brown skies and light green tree. The next is a replacement with blue skies and bright green tree. Oregon is green. Keep up the good videos, John McWilliams. So we've got, I'm just going to show these all real quick. Here's the one with the, well, these, I'm not sure which is which here. So in this order, blue one, 1960s, which it says right on the back, right there, kind of reminds me of a California plate from like the 70s, I think. This one is 1970s. This one here is, I'm not sure what this says. The first word is kind of scribbly. Run tree, very green, something, what did he say on here? This was the replacement plate for the next one. We've got these two tree plates right here. This, I think this was the first one, this is the replacement. So thank you very much, John, and I'll throw these up on the wall here shortly. The second one I have here, the name has been totally cut off, but it's from Texas. Definitely feels like plates again. We'll cut into this, see what we have. At least I hope I didn't cut into anything important. Oh, they're wrapped up again inside of this. Stuck. And there's a real short note in here. Fox Shop, greetings from Texas. I enjoy your videos and your channel. Here are a couple more Texas plates for your wall. 1212 family. I'm not sure. 1212 family. Here are the two plates that he sent. And 1212 family, I appreciate it. I'll get these up on the wall as well. So I got the plates up on the wall. Let's put them all right up in a row here. Especially since those Oregon plates kind of went in order through the years. Thought that was kind of cool, but there you go. So John and the 1212 family, thank you very much. And if you have a license plate or anything else that you'd like to send into the Fox Shop, there's an address down in the description where you can do so. Also a link down there for channel stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, all that kind of stuff. There's a link down there for that as well. Well, it's the next morning. I went into the house after I did meal time, got something to eat for supper, and I kind of forgot to put an ending on this video. Got the heater warming things up. It's only, well, I guess it's 6:15 in the morning now. I was going to say it's bright and early in the morning, but it's not so bright out at the moment. Just got done snowing a little bit. And you probably can't see a darn thing, but according to where you look, there's one place that says we could get 8 to 12 inches of snow here tomorrow and tomorrow night. Most places are saying, I don't know, 4 to 8, something like that. And the wind is supposed to blow, so it's gonna be really nice. So I'll get this heater shut off. And I need to turn the radio off as well. And I think I probably already covered everything back here on the back of the Bronco, cutting all this stuff out. I think I showed all that before, but I'm going to keep going on that. Not a whole lot left to do back here as far as cutting out the crud. Just a little bit up in here, here. Same over here on this side. And just not entirely sure what I'm going to do down here. I think I may just have to use these. Maybe just cut this off up in here. But that's the way it is. We have to work with what we have on something like this. But it won't be too much longer, and we can start thinking about putting a quarter panel on this. That'll be nice. So that's going to do it for this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.